AI 900. How many can you get right? Let's find out. Question. What is a use case for classification? Option A. Predicting how many cups of coffee a person will drink based on how many hours the person slept a previous night. Option B. Analyzing the contents of images and grouping images that have similar colors. Option C. Predicting whether someone uses a bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from home to work. Option D. Predicting how many minutes it will take someone to run a race based on past race times. The correct answer is C. Predicting whether someone uses a bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from home to work. Explanation. Classification predicts a discrete category or class, such as whether someone will use a bicycle or not. Question. What are two tasks that can be performed by using computer vision? Option A. Predict stock prices. Option B. Detect brands in an image. Option C. Detect the color scheme in an image. Option D. Translate text between languages. Option E. Extract key phrases. The correct answer is detect brands in an image and detect the color scheme in an image. Explanation. Azure Computer Vision can recognize brands, logos and analyze color usage, including dominant and accent colors. Question. You need to build an image tagging solution for social media that tags images of your friends automatically. Which Azure Cognitive Services service should you use? Option A. Face. Option B. Form Recognizer. Option C. Text Analytics. Option D. Computer Vision. The correct answer is A. Face. Explanation. The Face service detects, recognizes, and identifies faces, making it suitable for automatically tagging people in photos. Question. In which two scenarios can you use the Form Recognizer service? Option A. Identify the retailer from a receipt. Option B. Translate from French to English. Option C. Extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option D. Find images of products in a catalog. The correct answer is identify the retailer from a receipt and extract the invoice number from an invoice. Explanation. Form Recognizer extracts structured information such as receipt fields, invoice numbers, tables, and key value pairs from documents. Question. You are developing a solution that uses the text analytics service. You need to identify the main talking points in a collection of documents. Which type of natural language processing should you use? Option A. Entity recognition. Option B. Key phrase extraction. Option C. Sentiment analysis. Option D. Language detection. The correct answer is B. Key phrase extraction. Explanation. Key phrase extraction identifies the most important concepts and topics contained in text. Question. In which two scenarios can you use speech recognition? Option A. An in-car system that reads text messages aloud. Option B. Providing closed captions for recorded or live videos. Option C. Creating an automated public address system for a train station. Option D. Creating a transcript of a telephone call or meeting. The correct answer is providing closed captions for recorded or live videos and creating a transcript of a telephone call or meeting. Explanation. Speech recognition converts spoken language into text, enabling captions and transcription. Question. You need to build an app that will read recipe instructions aloud to support users who have reduced vision. Which Azure AI service should you use? Option A. Text Analytics. Option B. Translator. Option C. Speech. Option D. Language Understanding. Luis. The correct answer is C. Speech. Explanation. Azure Speech provides text-to-speech capabilities to convert written text into natural sounding speech. Question. Your website has a chatbot to assist customers. You need to detect when a customer is upset based on what the customer types in the chatbot. Which type of AI workload should you use? Option A. Anomaly detection. Option B. Computer vision. Option C. Regression. Option D. Natural language processing. The correct answer is D. Natural language processing. Explanation. Natural language processing includes sentiment analysis, which determines whether text expresses positive, negative, or neutral emotions. Question. You plan to develop a bot that will enable users to query a knowledge base by using natural language processing. Which two services should you include in the solution? Option A. Q&A Maker. Option B. Azure Bot Service. Option C. Form Recognizer. Option D. Anomaly Detector. The correct answer is Q&A Maker in Azure Bot Service. Explanation. Azure Bot Service provides the chatbot framework, while Q&A Maker enables the bot to answer questions from a knowledge base. Question. In which two scenarios can you use a speech synthesis solution? Option A. An automated voice that reads back a credit card number entered into a telephone using a numeric keypad. Option B. Generating live captions for a news broadcast. Option C. Extracting key phrases from the audio recording of a meeting. Option D. An AI character in a computer game that speaks audibly to a player. The correct answer is an automated voice that reads back a credit card number and an AI character in a computer game that speaks audibly to a player. Explanation. Speech synthesis. Text-to-speech. Converts written text into spoken audio. Question. You are building a knowledge base by using Q&A Maker. Which file format can you use to populate the knowledge base? Option A. PPTX. Option B. XML. Option C. Zip. Option D. PDF. The correct answer is D. PDF. Explanation. Q&A Maker supports importing documents such as PDF, docs, and text to create a knowledge base. Question. In which scenario should you use key phrase extraction? Option A. Identifying whether reviews of a restaurant are positive or negative. Option B. Generating captions for a video based on the audio track. Option C. Identifying which documents provide information about the same topics. Option D. Translating a set of documents from English to German. The correct answer is C. Identifying which documents provide information about the same topics. Explanation. Key phrase extraction identifies the important concepts in documents, making it easier to determine documents that discuss similar topics. Question. You have insurance claim reports that are stored as text. You need to extract key terms from the reports to generate summaries. Which type of AI workload should you use? Option A. Natural language processing. Option B. Conversational AI. Option C. Anomaly detection. Option D. Computer vision. The correct answer is A. Natural language processing. Explanation. Natural language processing provides key phrase extraction and summarization capabilities for text documents. Question. Which AI service can you use to interpret the meaning of a user input such as, "Call me back later"? Option A. Translator. Option B. Text analytics. Option C. Speech. Option D. Language understanding. LUIS. The correct answer is D. Language understanding. LUIS. Explanation. LUIS identifies user intents and extracts entities from natural language input. Question. You are developing a chatbot solution in Azure. Which service should you use to determine a user's intent? Option A. Translator. Option B. Q&A Maker. Option C. Speech. Option D. Language understanding. LUIS. The correct answer is D. Language understanding. LUIS. Explanation. LUIS analyzes natural language to determine user intent and extract relevant entities. Question. You need to make the written press releases of your company available in a range of languages. Which service should you use? Option A. Translator. Option B. Text analytics. Option C. Speech. Option D. Language understanding. LUIS. The correct answer is A. Translator. Explanation. Azure Translator provides neural machine translation for converting text between multiple languages. Question. You are developing a natural language processing solution in Azure. The solution will analyze customer reviews and determine how positive or negative each review is. This is an example of which type of natural language processing workload? Option A. Language detection. Option B. Sentiment analysis. Option C. Key phrase extraction. Option D. Entity recognition. The correct answer is B. Sentiment analysis. Explanation. Sentiment analysis determines whether text expresses positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed the quiz? Subscribe for more and drop your score in the comments.